Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Pixel 10 Pro screen flickering. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Once you're in the settings, what you guys want to do is go over and scroll down to display and touch. You want to make sure that you disable adaptive brightness. And after disabling adaptive brightness, make sure to lower your refresh rate. So I had it for 60 Hz. Now I'm gonna turn it up to 120 because my screen is not flickering. But if yours is, make sure to turn the smooth display at the bottom off. And what are we gonna do next is go over and restart our phone. So this is very important. We want to restart. Press the power button, the volume up button, tap restart, and now it's restarting. So the system glitches are basically gone because we just refreshed our system, and now we're waiting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. As you guys can see, now we are after the restart. The screen is good, but what are we gonna do next is, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software. So you can find the software in settings. Now in the settings, you scroll down to system, and in the system you should have software updates. So we're gonna tap it, go to system update, and as you guys can see, I got a system update available. So you can just click download and install, and it will be done. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.